Hello, take a look at this video.
Love is beautiful until it kills your game. Lamine Yamal, Barcelona's golden boy, just confirmed the end of his relationship with Argentine singer Nicki Nicole. And for many fans, this might be the best news for his football career. It all started like a dream. A 17-year-old football prodigy falls for a music star. Everywhere they went, glam, glitter, perfect smiles, but fairy tales fade fast. And this one burned out even faster. While their romance trended online, Yamal's stats crashed. Fewer goals, fewer assists, less impact. Fans started whispering, Nicki Nicole stole his mojo. Some even called it the pop star curse, saying Yamal had joined the long list of players distracted by love and fame. Social media went wild. For many, there was only one fix: breakup. Yamal finally made it official. The breakup was real. He insisted, no cheating, no scandal, just a mutual decision. But behind the scenes, insiders talk about a young player overwhelmed by fame and an artist tired of being labeled the footballer's girlfriend. The couple is gone. The chaos remains, because in football, love always leaves scars. Since the split, Yamal looks reborn, sharper, hungrier, more focused. Fans believe the real Yamal is back, but deep down, there's still a wound, because falling in love under the spotlight is a battle no one truly wins. Nicki Nicole is gone, the buzz is gone. Now it's just a kid and a ball, and maybe finally the chance to write a new story, one without flashlights, without romance, just pure football.
Subscribe and join our community.